So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now as the scan's loading, we're just going to minimize this. Don't close it, you just want to minimize it. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. Then you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You want to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on Tools, and then click on Check, and then click on Scan Drive. You want to run the scan. And then once you've run this, you want to head back to CMD, and then your SSC scan now command should be completed. If it's not completed, you want to wait for it to load. And now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and click on enter. Then you want to run this final scan. When the scan's been completed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.